touch that fine for you. I do that 3 bucks.
What is up, y'all? Welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, I just wanted to bring y'all a real, just have like a little heart to heart or whatever before I take my makeup off and stuff like that and actually go to bed. Before we get into the video, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. But y'all, I just literally got to recording a fashion video for y'all, and I was about to go into like a whole little get down or whatever, but I said I'm gonna go ahead and make a separate video. Y'all, again, it is like, let me see, because I'm recording on my phone. It is 1:57 a.m. So, y'all, I got off work today. I cooked, and me and baby watched TV for a little bit. And then he went to bed, and I just still had some energy. So, I said, let me go ahead and do something productive instead of just, watching TV or being on my phone. And I went ahead and did a style video for y'all, put on some eyebrows and put a little piece, hair piece up there, whatever. Just, make myself presentable for the video and stuff like that. But y'all, let me just tell y'all something. I had two people that kind of got, actually three, that kind of got on my nerves today. And my energy was like totally shifted. And me and baby had a little conversation or whatever. And he was just like, don't get thrown off of your square because of, other people and, whatever they got going, da-da-da-da-da. So I was still irritated because I'm just like it. It takes me a little minute to calm down or whatever. But I end up getting my energy back and sticking to the plan and doing what I said I was going to do. And y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I'm very much so into like numbers, and just energy, vibes. I'm into all of it or whatever. And literally today at 2:22, my phone had 22%. So that's 5-2. So I had to look that up and see what the angels was trying to tell me. What's the word and whatever. And I actually screenshot it so y'all wouldn't think I was lying. And then it's so crazy because today is the 22nd. Well, yesterday at that time it was the 22nd. So there was a lot of twos going on, y'all. And normally twos are like new beginnings and stuff like that. So I had to look it up just to get deeper into the twos and what's going on with it, whatever. And I'm just so glad that my energy shifted back to what I was already on before the people irritated me today. And I just put my energy into my work. I drew a blank, like I had creator's block when I was about to record. So y'all, I laid on the floor in the content room for probably an hour. Laid on the floor or whatever, and then I said, no, let me get up. Let me get up. So got up, and then my creative juices just started flowing. And that's why I'm still up, and I really still got energy, but I am going to lay down and get some rest, because I do have to be up and at work at 8 o'clock. But I'm normally good with about 5 to 6 hours of sleep. I can do, all day off of that amount of sleep. But anyway, y'all, I just said it to say, no matter how old you are, no matter who you are, no matter your background, none of that matters. Do what you need to do for you. Don't let nobody throw you off your square. I know life happens. We all go through it. And y'all know that I'll take a break off of social media for a month at a time. And y'all, let me tell y'all, that don't sound like a lot of time, like in the normal world, but when you're a content creator, 30 days off is a lot. It's a lot. You see what I'm saying? So if you're a content creator and this is what you do, then you'll understand like 30 days. Some people literally post every single day, and some people it's their bread and butter, like literally how they feed their kids, pay the rent, pay the mortgage, car notes, whatever they need to do. That's not necessarily my story. But I can say it's some content creators that make bank, and they make well over what I make at my 9 to 5 or whatever like that. So it's definitely a thing, and it's definitely a lucrative career or whatever. But long story short with that, just don't let nobody throw you off your square. I'm telling you, the type of energy I had come across me today, it was just like, ugh. Like I just literally was irked. Literally. And I like ran it to Babe. Babe listened, and he was just like, don't let it get to you. Don't, because he knows me, And for me, I can get irritated, and it can last way longer than it should. And that's like one thing about me that I'm definitely learning every single day, to not let people throw me off. Other people's energy can just swallow you up if you allow it to, whether it's good or bad. Now, if it's bad energy, we don't want to house that. We don't want that in our space. If it's good energy, hold on to it and make it work for you, literally. But I did want to just come on here because I was like, okay, let me just do this little video or whatever. And y'all know I'm a talker, and a lot of things go on in my head at one time, all the time. So I just wanted to get this message out to y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all do to like shift y'all's energy. I know some people, for me, I can listen to music. I can listen to like comedy. Sometimes talking to Babe, but sometimes y'all know talking to somebody, it's kind of like, yeah, I hear what you're saying, but but it's all in what you make it, pretty much. So I allowed his energy to calm me down today. He came home, with good energy, whatever, and I just soaked it up. Like I said, it took me a second to get out of my little mood, but I soaked up the good energy. So that's an example of how you can let somebody's energy, use you in an effective way. That was good energy. I chose it, and I got over whatever, and I was productive. So I'm glad about that, and I'm happy about that because I know how I do sometimes. But y'all, what do y'all do? I know some people, like I said, I can listen to music, I can listen to comedy, look up fashion, things that I like, can kind of help me convert my energy back to good or whatever, and get out of a funk, depending on what, the funk is or whatever. Also, y'all, follow y'all's dreams. Do not give up. And I think I was going to tell y'all, and I think I told y'all before, about quitting. I quit YouTube like 2 or 3 times. 2 of the times I quit for like 8 to 9 months. And then I've quit for like 30 days a few times. So I'm trying to get out of that because I really do like making the videos for y'all. But again, some things affect my energy. I never want to come on the camera and give y'all, like the stank eye. I never want to give y'all bad energy. I know every day is not a good day, but I don't want to have that type of energy on my channel. So if my energy is not good and not right, I can't record and put it up. I don't want to bring nobody else down, that type of thing. And again, like I told y'all, some people looking at content and looking at other people's lives and things like that bring them joy, uplift them, give them motivation, all of that stuff. And that's what I want my channel to be for myself and for y'all. I want y'all to always, when y'all see me post, y'all know I'm coming with good energy. I'm going to have a good, vibe. I never want to bring y'all no, drab videos. Life is hard, and I get it. And some people's lives are harder than mine. So if I can be uplifting and be, a help to somebody, a like, anything that's on a positive note, I do want to be there for y'all. I have a lot of people that send me emails, a lot of people that, leave little comments and things like that. Just like all around positive energy, good vibes. People always tell me that I uplift them, I encourage them, just make them want to put on clothes and just all the stuff like that. And that's what I love, and that's why I wanted to do YouTube in the beginning. Been plus size majority of my life, and I've always had an eye for fashion. I always been a person that people come to for advice, all that kind of stuff. So I mean, making this channel or whatever is just ideal, and it's a good thing, and I just want to go up. We are getting more subscribers, so I'm very grateful. And y'all, that's another thing. I'm not where I want to be in the content world, but I got to blame myself for that, because, again, quitting and allowing things to get into my head or my space or whatever, and then just not doing, I put me on the back burner, and that's why I'm not where I should be, or I can't say should be. That's why I'm not where I want to be. I should say that. But again, we can't go back. All we can do is go forward. So I'm going to do the best that I can to continue to give y'all good content, bring y'all, my fashion and what I think, cooking videos. Me and baby are about to do some traveling. Yeah, so just stay tuned, because 25, I'm planning for it to be very much lit. Me and baby got a lot of places we want to go. We haven't been traveling for personal reasons or whatever, but 25, I plan to really do a lot of things that's on my bucket list and stuff like that. Definitely know we will be traveling in 25. That is our plan. And we hope that God in the universe continue to bless us and put us in position to do everything that we want to do in life. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to put that screenshot up so y'all can see that I don't know if y'all going to be able to see the date, but it definitely was the time, and it was on yesterday, which was the 22nd of October. And y'all can look up angel numbers and stuff like that. And, if you believe in that or whatever, it is what it is. Some people believe in this, some people believe in that. Y'all know I believe in God, in the universe, and it is what it is. And, yeah, that's just my little 1-2. Y'all will get a fashion video very, very soon. And y'all already know, honey. Oh, make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And y'all already know, honey, we are out.